Mr. John, where do you come from? Belarus?
I'm
No?
originally from the United States, but I work in Belarus.
You work in Belarus?
I work in Belarus now with my team at Scorum.
Okay. Scorum.
Scorum.
What is it, Scorum?
Scorum is a sports media platform built on blockchain. It's got 4 parts. It's got a social component in the blogging platform.
Yes.
It's got fantasy sports. Mm-hmm. It's got a peer-to-peer betting exchange that is completely commission-free. And it's got Stats Center where people can follow their favorite teams and use that information in the articles they write on the platform.
It's a platform with a blockchain and everyone can win some money.
You can win by playing fantasy sports. You can win by writing very good articles and getting a lot of upvotes.
Yes.
And you can win by placing good bets against other users. So this is our Stats Center,
yes,
where you can watch live matches.
Yes.
All right, you can see all the data. We've developed this using Microsoft Power BI tools to make visualizations for the authors.
Microsoft AI?
Yeah.
Okay.
BI. So authors who are writing in our platform can choose comparison, trends, statistics, and they will pull data from the Stats Center and say they want a heat map of possession for the last game.
Okay.
They choose the team, they choose the match, and it will generate that data for their article. And they end up in this is the blog creation editorial suite. And this is stats for individual players. And they end up with a product like this. All right, you got your title, big picture, analysis, and your stats visualization from the match.
For the users, but what is the purpose of it for you? It's a platform to give users possibility to win money.
Anyone can write these articles on the platform.
Yes, this is articles.
Yeah, and anyone can read and upvote and give the articles more payout.
Okay, so there is articles and the possibility to have more statistics. Your tool is about statistics, about blockchain, platform, to let users win something when they are going to write articles or when they are going to like. The like?
Yeah.
When they put a like, they can
vote
win something.
For the best articles. If you like an article that becomes very popular, you get a bigger share.
Yes.
So people that read on our platform, we want them to find the best writing and upvote it, and we reward that. So if it's a bad article, nobody likes it, and you vote for it, you will get a very small reward. If it's a very good article and you find it first, you will get a higher reward.
Sports, English sports, not only US sports.
Not only
French,
US sports.
Europe.
Right now it is, we're focusing on football, but because of the World Cup. But we've got, our wallet is live already, and we've got almost 25 languages for the interface.
Yes, sure.
And we're going to have the same amount of languages for the blogging platform. So when you open it in France, it will open in French, and you will read French articles from French writers.
Yes, sure. We can put French articles, like English articles.
Yes.
C'est very good, John. Thanks for your presentation.
Yeah, thank you.
See you online.